Well, I'm here now, where I'm going to be camping for the night. So I thought I'd just get out and have a quick walk around, have a look, make sure everything's okay. I've just seen one 4x4 guy go past. He's obviously out doing the same as me. Probably not overnighting, but you know, I thought I'd show you whereabouts it is that I'm camping. So I'll turn the camera around for you, and then you can see for yourself what the spot itself is like. And then once I set the camp up, I'll probably do another little video and show you what it looks like. And yeah, that'll be me for the night. Okay guys, down there is a bit of a river. I don't know if you can see it, just down there a little bit really, to be honest with you. And then you've got a little bridge over there. It's just wide enough for cars. But yeah, that's where the car is for tonight. I've got all of that woodland up there. All of this bit. It's a really nice spot to actually camp in. Show you what's behind. There's enough room here for me to have a little campfire. I'm going to put an awning from the roof rack there, and I'll tie it off on that tree and that tree. Just give me a little bit of shelter. I'm not expecting any rain, but you never know, so I'll do that in a bit. It looks like somebody's already had a bit of a fire down there at some stage. But yeah, it's a nice little spot. It should be quite nice for an evening, and I shall wake up in the morning with the river for company. So yeah, well, that's the awning set up, guys. Off to a branch up there, which is keeping it nice and taut for me. So yeah, it's as you can see, it's one of a few branches. It's keeping it nice and taut. Table, chair. What more do you need, really? It's up onto the roof rack, all tied in, and then this bit that comes down just to allow the water to come off if it does rain is that down to the front bull bar there. So yeah, I should keep nice and dry in there like that. I'm not expecting any rain. It's a beautiful night, well, beautiful evening. It's yeah, should be quite nice. Hi guys. Yeah, something else that I'd bought for doing this overland trip is the Mora wood axe. It's only a small one, but it's got a nice weight to it. I'll turn it around and you can see what we're doing. Yeah, it's only small, but it's got a nice grip, nice weight to it. Yeah, good axe, nice and sharp. So we shall be using that in, well, very shortly, as I'm going to cut some wood up for the get the fire ready to at least start. And yeah, you can see it in action. Well, this is a bit of a sort of 1.5 by 2. If I'm trying to do this one-handed, so it's not going to be easy. But yeah, it's a sharp axe. It's nice and easy to cut. Nice sharp blade on it. It's yeah, very nice axe. Definitely recommend one of those. There you go, guys. The fire's on its way now, so won't be long, and I'll be making myself a nice cup of coffee, and I should be getting some dinner on. I think it's going to be curry and rice tonight. It's my sleeping mat for when I'm in the back. It's a cracking mat, this one. It's self-inflating. All you've got to do is just open the valve, and then it'll just slowly, I don't know if you can hear that, it will just slowly inflate itself, and then it'll be ready for my sleeping bag to go on the top. Camp's all set up now. I'm just literally just chilling out now, waiting for the fire to get some embers going, and once that dies down a little bit, I can get the kettle on, make myself a nice cup of tea. I've got, what have I got for dinner tonight? Got some chicken tikka masala. So yeah, looking forward to that. I shall get that going shortly as well. And once it starts going dark, it'll the whole place will change then. That's when people find it gets a bit eerie and a bit scary. But for the moment it's really nice, just peaceful, quiet, birds singing, sound of the river behind me. It's really nice. So I'm getting really inspired to get back out into nature a bit better, or a bit more. Thought I'd do my first solo camp tonight, see how it goes. Whether or not I'll find out if I'm scared of the dark, I guess. Shouldn't be too bad though, because I'm going to be sleeping in the back. In fact, I'll walk around and show you. So yeah, that's my bed for this evening. So underneath there I've got the inflatable mattress there. The first aid box is always there. It's screwed down to that position. I can take it off, and it wouldn't make a great deal of difference, but I don't need a lot of room, so but, yeah, it's first night in Dartmoor on my own. The fire's going. There it is. Already got some wood prepped. The new knife that I've got is absolutely brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Same with the Moor axe as well. Fantastic. I bought some of the little lights that you got put in the garden, just to try and light it up a little bit. Whether they've had enough sunlight or not, I don't know, because I literally bought them from the shop, put them in the back of the car, and then put them out here. Not a lot of light getting through these trees, but we will wait and see. You know, it's they'll be there for the next time if they don't work this time. So the embers are going quite nice now, so I think I might fill the kettle and get the kettle on the go. There we go. Chicken tikka masala, all cooked on an open fire. Can't wait. Okay guys, don't mind admitting, it's dark down here now. The only light I've got is the firelight. And a couple of the garden lights, but that's it. That's all I've got now. Yeah, definitely takes on a different atmosphere when the lights go out. For the first one, yeah, it's a bit nerve-wracking, I've got to admit, but you've got to face your fears. So I'm going to hopefully stick it out till the morning, and we'll see where it goes. Hi guys, this is me. There I am, look. Yeah, it's certainly comfortable in the back here. It's all locked down. It's about 10 o'clock at night now. So hopefully I'll get a nice peaceful night's sleep and not too many problems. So yeah, it's certainly different. Not done this before, so wish me luck. I'll see you guys in the morning. Night night.